Good afternoon and welcome to your latest video in the series Maths Revision Outside the Classroom. Today's topic, number 6, is histograms. This is a grade A topic at GCSE and is suitable for years 9 through to 11. Right, now a histogram is rather like a bar chart, but the crucial difference is it's usually used for continuous data, in other words data that doesn't have any gaps in it, and it is not the height of the bar that represents the frequency, it is the area of the bar. So it is a diagram with no gaps, made up of blocks, but each block represents an area. The vertical scale, the height, therefore does not show frequency. Instead, it shows the frequency density. Because the area of the block represents the frequency, the width times the height gives the area, so the width times the height gives the frequency. So rearranging that formula, the frequency divided by the width gives the height. And the height of the bar is known as the frequency density. So the vertical scale is called frequency density, and it is calculated by doing the frequency divided by the class width. So before a histogram can be drawn, the frequency densities have to be calculated by taking each frequency and dividing it by the width of the class. The width of the class is found by doing the class upper boundary minus the class lower boundary. So for instance, a class showing temperatures 5 less than or equal to T less than 10, in other words temperatures between 5 and 10 degrees, would have a class width of 10 minus 5 is 5. Say that temperature occurred on 20 days, then you do the frequency, 20, divided by the class width, 5, to get a frequency density, or height of the bar, of 4. So, just to recap, the height of the bar is the frequency density, which goes on the vertical scale, and is calculated by doing frequency divided by class width. The horizontal scale shows the variable, and which may be temperature, say, or height. It's continuous data and there will be no gaps, and the area of the bar represents the frequency. So if you are given a histogram and asked to calculate the frequencies, you have to do the height times the width, as you would normally for the area of a rectangle, or in other words the frequency density times the class width to get the area of the bar, which represents the frequency. Well, we hope you found this video useful and that you will now go away and practice some questions on histograms. Until the next time, it's goodbye.